Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. And today we're going to look at Zelda Twilight Princess HD for the Wii U. This is what you should get: the game, amiibo, and a soundtrack. Let's check it out. Hopefully, here is the game. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Hopefully it is physical, but anyway. We also got the CD. $20 tracks. Decent. And of course, take away the box. The amiibo. It looks really good. So yeah, that's it basically. You get the game, you get the disc or CD, and you get the amiibo. And that was all for today, folks. So see you next time. Bye.